Welcome back. Today I am trying Beauty Bay. This is the Rich palette that I had gotten a couple of months ago when it launched. It's a 16 color palette. That's what the packaging looks like. There are mattes, pigments, and shimmers in here. So I would say there's something for everyone in here. There's metallics and shimmers. 7 mattes, 4 shimmers, 6 metallics. I'm not sure. It's been a while since I've used Beauty Bay. So I'm gonna, ooh, these are nice. That's a metallic. A shimmer. Ooh, really nice quality. And a matte, which could be a pigment too, because I don't know which one's which. But that's really beautiful. Beauty Bay is located in England, Manchester, the Northwest, to be exact. And I have quite a few of their palettes new to me that I haven't used. So their shipping is very reasonable. I think it's like $6.95 and it comes in the mail. Really reasonable to the US. And the palette was like $20. I'm gonna go into Organza, which is this light, almost beigey pink. The quality on this is really good. I'm gonna go into Fondant, which is right here. Put that in my outer view. Now, not all their color stories are my cup of tea. I do have a couple of colorful palettes from them that I haven't tried. They are vegan. I'm gonna go into Candle, which is that pinky metallic right here. That is so sparkly. And I didn't even have to wet it or put anything down to make it come out. It's very sparkly. It's a soft shadow. This is nice. I like this. For $20? This is good quality for $20. And that's my look. It's very sparkly, the metallics. I like it. I like it a lot. I can see myself going back into this one and doing more looks with it. Well, anyways, that's my video. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.